So it's a really good initiative taken by Genius Bit Academy to educate the students, especially young students, the young generation who are going to be very motivated to do robotics and all those related things in the future. And by learning these things in this manner, in a very good environment where you have very good instructors to teach you how to do robotics and how to control them, how to do lighting ups, and then how to do mechanical controlling and all those things. So in this workshop, you will be learning all these things, and it's a, as I said, it's a good initiative because a lot of people will learn about robotics and the importance of robotics and how we can apply those things in the future endeavors that we are doing. Now, if you look at the environment around you, it's totally governed by all the robotics and computers and all these applications. So you can't live in a world without any computers or having any knowledge about these computers and robotics. So at a younger age, if you can learn all these concepts, how to write a program, how to control a robot, how to do motor controlling and all those things, that will be really essential when you go to higher studies, when you go to higher school and higher studies and for your further education. So by doing this, you will be able to learn most of the things that are required of you at this age of how to do robotics. And in the future, you can apply that knowledge and then you can proceed forward, and then you can become a very good engineer. Maybe in engineer, you can even join NASA to join these engineering programs where you send rovers to moon or Mars and things like that. So that's your ultimate objective you should have in your mind. Study well and do this programming and robotics and controlling and all, and you will have a very bright future.